This week in Anello Answers It, we have a question from a kid, and actually two questions from two kids. Sadie and Gage from Riverton asked the difference between a hurricane and a tornado. Well, great question, guys. Let's talk about it. We'll start with tornadoes. Tornadoes form on land when we have strong winds up high in the sky and calmer winds down at the surface. What happens is these winds are traveling in different directions, and they start to yin and yang or combine and form a circulating horizontal column. What happens next is winds on either side push into that column and force it to turn vertically up and down. This is what's called a mesocyclone. This mesocyclone travels into our thunderstorm and causes the thunderstorm to spin. Spinning thunderstorms create something called a wall cloud, which is when we can see the outside of the thunderstorm is actually spinning. Eventually, our spinning thunderstorm or supercell has so much energy that it can't hold it in anymore. So it shoots what's called a funnel down to the ground, and when that funnel touches the surface, that's when we have a tornado. All right, now let's jump over close to the equator, which is where all hurricanes form in the water. Now for a hurricane, we need air temperature to be above 80 degrees, and we need air to come in from either side and push up high into the sky. This gives us plenty of water and moisture in the air. Now in tornadoes, we had air going in different directions, but for hurricanes, they're more fragile, and we need air to go all in the same direction. This forces that abundant moisture and air pushing in from the sides to spin, and that is what gives us our hurricanes. So let's look at it piece for piece. The difference between tornadoes and hurricanes is, well, a simple one. Tornadoes form on land while hurricanes form in the ocean. Tornadoes need wind to be going in different direction, while hurricanes need that wind to be going in the same direction, and they need it to have a whole lot of moisture. Tornadoes need warm and cold air, where hurricanes require air that's greater than 80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's all for Anello Answers It this week, and I'm so proud of you guys. Great questions. If you have a weather question, be sure to email it to me at ganello@waytv.com because I would just love to hear from you.